Namaste viewers, myself Dr. Vindoo and I'm a senior physician at Nation Care Homeo Clinic, HSR. As we know that India is the capital city of diabetes, the alarming increase in the level of diabetic patients is increasing day by day, irrespective of the age. Once upon a time we used to see diabetes only in elderly people, but nowadays we also see children suffering with diabetes. What is diabetes? Especially when you talk about diabetes, there are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 we commonly call it as juvenile diabetes, that is in children, so which is also increasing alarmingly, and type 2 is seen usually post 25 or 30 years, due to which there is a decrease in the insulin levels which cause the increase in the sugar levels. The common symptoms that we see in diabetes is sudden loss of weight. A person can have increased thirst. They can also feel like passing urination again and again. They can get up multiple times in the nights to pass urination. They'll have increased appetite. And if the initial increase in the sugar levels is unnoticed, they can also have numbness or the tingling sensation in the fingers and the toes. If you see any of these symptoms, please do reach out to us. We will also be able to help you to figure out if you really have diabetes or not. And later we can also help you with the treatment part. Why there is an increase in diabetes? The kind of lifestyle that we are leading, the stressful life, lack of physical activities, obesity, a lot of hormonal issues and stress management. So all these complaints are causing the increase in the diabetes levels. We do see people immediately rushing back to certain medications, not knowing what is the normal level of diabetes. See, we confirm a person or we diagnose the person to be diabetic when the sugar levels are continuously on the higher level. So higher level doesn't mean, a slight increase in sugar levels. Some changes in diabetes or acutely stress levels could have increased your sugar levels, but that does not diagnose or does not confirm that you're diabetic. So HbA1c is the confirmatory test which confirms that a person is diabetic or not. So that gives you the 3 months mean glucose level. When we see the HbA1c is above 7, still we don't recommend going for any kind of a treatment. You need to give a chance to your body. Make changes to the lifestyle, whether it is the mental level or at the physical level. Make changes to the diet. Reduce sugar levels, reduce carbs. Take more amounts of nutritious food and decrease junks. And try to manage your stress. So minor changes to the lifestyle will certainly bring down the sugar levels naturally. But in spite of doing all these things, you feel still your sugar levels are not coming under control and you have a very strong genetic background. Definitely here is a solution. We will certainly help you to get to the root cause of the problem. As we know, the insulin insufficiency is the main reason for diabetes. We help you to stimulate the beta cells of your pancreas so that naturally we would help your body to secrete the insulin which is required for the metabolism. Along with the treatment, that we also help you with the proper diet which will help you to overcome this problem. So all together with the help of a diet, and if you're unable to manage your stress, which is the most common problem, we would be able to help you with the counseling and as well as with our specialized treatment. You can definitely overcome this problem. The patients who are already been taking allopathic medicines need not worry. So they feel that we have already started with allopathic medicines, hence we cannot take any other medicines. Definitely that's a myth. Along with whatever medications that you're taking, homeopathy can also be given simultaneously, and we can also efficiently taper the allopathic medicines that you have been taking, irrespective of whatever the time duration or the chronic ailment of diabetes that you have been suffering with. We would analyze the case, we would take the case in detail. Individualistic homeopathic treatment is given, which will certainly help you to overcome the problem that you have been suffering with. Thank you.